Credit card as a medium of payment is very popular and convenient. Most of us use credit cards almost on a daily basis, be it for booking a train ticket or purchasing essentials or buying clothes or making utility payments or for even getting a movie ticket. That being the case, some of us are also baffled as to selecting the right credit card as there are cards with a plethora of benefits and offering. Some cards provide you with cashbacks, while others come with reward points that you can redeem later for variety of goodies. There are cards that are specially curated for meeting your lifestyle needs. And then there are cards even to provide discounts on fuel purchases. That being the case, how to select the right credit card? What are all the things that you need to look into while comparing different cards? Should you go for the card that is free for life or get a better one even if it is meant to pay some annual charges? Let us discuss all these and much more in this video so that you will be in a better position to compare the different credit cards and select the one that is just right for you. Welcome to Nana's Learn Better. Use this channel to enrich your knowledge in personal finance to take informed decisions. Do subscribe to the channel if not done already. If you want to earn some money back on all your spends, then you should opt for the cashback credit cards. These cards reward you with cashback every time you use the card. The percentage or the amount of cashback varies from card to card. Most of the cards fix up a maximum cashback that you can get in a month. For example, in Standard Chartered Super Value Titanium credit card, you get 5% cashback on fuel, phone and utility bills subject to a maximum of Rs 200 per month. In some of the Citibank credit cards, you can get up to Rs 250 per month as cashback when you spend more than Rs 3000 in bigbasket.com. The cashback may be instantaneous or you get that credited into your account within 90 days. If you want to be rewarded with reward points that you can accumulate and redeem later for variety of merchandise, besides using them to pay towards credit card balance, then you can go for cards offering reward points. By far, this is the most common variant of a credit card. The number of reward points that you can earn vary from card to card and from one type of spend to the another. For example, when you pay with SBI Card Prime, you earn 10 reward points on every Rs 100 spent on dining, groceries, departmental stores and movies, 2 reward points on every Rs 100 spent on all other expenses except for fuel, with 4 reward points equaling 1 rupee in value. Some credit cards offer additional reward points as in the case of HDFC Diners Club Privilege Card, wherein normally you get 4 reward points for spending every Rs 150, but you get 10x reward points on partner brands and 2x reward points on dining during weekends. The accumulated reward points are normally valid for a specific time period before which you need to redeem them. Shopping credit cards are meant exclusively for shopping as you get special deals and additional discounts when you use them for shopping both online and offline purchases. For example, when you shop online at Amazon.in with the ICICI Amazon Pay Shopping Credit Card, you get 5% cashback on mobile and grocery purchases and 2% cashback on mobile recharge and bill payments. If you use this card elsewhere, then you get 1 to 2% cashback on all such spends. If you are a frequent flyer, then you may be better off if you go in for a travel credit card offering air mileage points that you can redeem for air tickets. These credit cards offer not only extra air miles by tying up with specific airlines, but also provide discounts on hotel stays, dining, and easy transaction in foreign countries. You also get free access to airport lounges across the globe. For example, with Air India SBI Signature Card, you can get cashback of up to Rs 600 on domestic flight bookings and Rs 2400 on international flight bookings on ixigo.com. Many credit card companies and banks offer fuel credit cards that help you save on your fuel purchases. Some of the cards provide you with cashback or reward points on fuel spends, while others provide a discount on fuel surcharge. If you spend a considerable amount on fuel, then this card will help you to reduce your fuel bill. For example, with the Indian Oil City credit card, you can get as much as 71 liters of free petrol in a year by redeeming the turbo points that you earn on the card. You get 4 turbo points for every rupees 150 spent and 1% fuel surcharge reversal on fuel at authorized Indian Oil retail outlets across India. You can earn turbo points on spends other than fuel as well. Lifestyle credit cards are one of the most popular credit cards worldwide and are normally considered as premium. These cards aim to enhance your lifestyle choices with respect to food, dining, shopping, etc. They also pamper you with health and wellness benefits including spa and concierge services. They provide insurance covers for air accidental death, emergency hospitalization abroad, loss of card, loss of travel documents, loss of check-in package, etc. Some of the card issuers waive these fees if you spend more than the minimum prescribed amount on that card in a year. For example, in Axis Bank Privilege Credit Card, on reaching annual spends of Rs 4 lakh, the annual fee for the next year is reversed. Else, you need to pay an annual fee of Rs 1,500 every year besides the one-time joining fee of Rs 1,000. Co-branded credit cards are issued by banks in partnership with other business entities like supermarket chains, hotels, airlines, online e-commerce sites, fuel companies, multiplexes, etc. Some of the cards that we have already discussed like the travel credit cards, shopping cards, fuel cards, etc. are all examples of co-branded cards. There are few banks who also offer credit cards partnering with some other bank as in the case of RBL Bank and South Indian Bank. These are all international cards that are accepted worldwide. They bear the merchant's logo besides the issuer and provide merchant-specific benefits to brand loyal consumers. As a result, you gain rewards and discounts from both the issuer and the brands that you are most loyal to. If you are an NRI, then you can go for NRI credit cards that are similar to regular credit cards but are issued only to NRI individuals having an NRE or NRO account in India. NRIs can use these cards to make travel bookings, purchases, online payments, etc. With NRI credit cards, you need not have to go through the hassles of currency conversion and can make their payments in rupees. These cards allow an NRI to easily make payments when they are abroad or in India. Okay, I understand, but how do I select the card that is just right for me in terms of benefits and affordability? First of all, you need to be clear as to what you expect from a credit card. Do you want cashback or reward points? Do you want to save on your fuel bills? Do you want to have free access to international airport lounges and would like to have discounts on airline tickets and hotel bookings? Do you want to maximize your shopping benefits by getting special deals and additional discounts on purchases? Are you an NRI who want to make credit card payments in Indian rupee? When you are clear with the expectations, benefits and features, then move on to compare the various cards with similar offerings. While comparing the different cards, you should ask yourself as to how much you are willing to pay for that credit card. Are you okay with paying joining and annual fees or want only a free card for lifetime? How the different cards are comparable in terms of interest that you may need to pay if you are not making a full payment by due date. Instead, pay a minimum and opt for revolving credit. Are you okay with the card issuer charging you for over-limit usage, duplicate card statement, late payment, etc.? Is there a charge for add-on card? Consider all this and narrow the options further. Another important deciding factor is how long is the free credit period. Longer the period, the better. Though credit cards typically offer a free credit period or an interest-free period of 30 to 40 days, there are cards in the market providing up to 50 days of interest-free credit. Select the one that comes with longer free credit period. When you apply for a credit card, The card issuer fixes up a credit limit for you based on your income, credit score, past credit card performance if any, etc. If you are a first-time credit card applicant, your card's credit limit will always be less. But in due course, based on your card payment history and spend patterns, the card limit may be increased. Settle for a reasonably good credit limit and do not go for very large limit that might indirectly induce to spend more. You can always use your credit card to withdraw cash in case of an emergency, though it is to be normally avoided as the cash withdrawal charges are very high, about 2.5% to 3% per month for the transaction amount. With no interest-free period on these cash withdrawals, you need to pay the interest from day one of the cash withdrawal. The cash limit will be about 10 to 20% of your overall credit limit. While selecting a credit card, also pay attention as to what would be your liability in case of a lost card. There are credit cards that come with zero liability from the moment you report the card loss to the card issuer. However, not all the cards provide you with a zero loss. Check this out before finalizing the card. The credit card is safe as long as you do not part with a physical card wherein there is always a possibility for misusing the card, including cloning. Nowadays, most of the card issuers provide you with the credit cards that work contactless. That is, instead of swiping the credit card or handing over the card to the merchant outlet to put through the transaction, you just need to tap the card on the card machine to approve the spend. Try getting a card that is contactless. Finally, decide whether you want a RuPay credit card, Visa card or a Mastercard. While RuPay cards are meant exclusively for usage within India, Visa and Mastercards enable you to transact globally. Compared to Visa and Mastercards, RuPay cards may prove to be cheaper as there are no processing or transaction charges normally levied on these cards. So, look at all those that we have discussed so far and select a card that is just right in terms of benefits, affordability and acceptance. However, it is possible that you may need to go for more than one credit card as all your expectations may not be met by a single card. This is all about how you should select the right credit card given the several options that are available in the financial market. See you in another video. Till then, this is Narayanan Viraya from the channel Nanas Learn Better.